In today's episode, let's compare a few Nag Champas. Namaste everyone and welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ, a show that helps you increase your incense quotient. So if you are an incense enthusiast, consider subscribing. In these type of episodes, we first check out the packaging and fragrance of an incense, then we talk a little about the incense world and we wrap up the episode with a quiz, so be with me till the end. Before we go ahead with the episode today, I have a few things to tell you. And there's this big announcement that I wanted to make today. So we are now a 500 people strong family, and I thank all of you so much for subscribing to my channel and for helping me get here. And now that we are strong enough, I will be reaching out to people to get me the incenses to review here for all of you. I'd like you guys to know that even though there will be sponsored episodes now, the honesty with which I share with you my opinion is going to be the same. That is not going to change ever, because I will only be reviewing the stuff that I like, that I really like. And if there is something like, if there's something which is like exorbitant and which I don't want you to buy, I will of course be telling you that also. So there will not be just sponsored episodes, but there will be non-sponsored episodes as well. And of course, you'll come to know of that. So that is the one thing I'd wanted you to know. And I just want you guys to know how thankful and grateful I am to each of you. Thank you again. Thank you so much. Also, there have been too many reviews on the channel, and I would like to do much more than just the incense reviews like I used to do earlier. And so we'll be resuming that. And since now we have twice a week, episodes twice a week, once a week I'll be doing a review and once a week I'll be doing a little something else related to incense. There are so many requests that are pending and I really want to honor all of those requests. There is one specific request by Bal Gangadhar ji, and he had asked me to review incenses based on the use of it. So that one will be coming up very soon. And also there will be other incense related episodes like there used to be earlier. And so I just wanted to enjoy all of them and be with me through all the episodes. As for now, let's start the comparisons of the 5 incenses, the Nag Champa incenses that I'm here to do today. So let's see first which are the incenses that I have. So I have this Nag Champa from Mumbai, the Satya Sai Baba Nag Champa. I had the incense sticks, Nag Champa incense sticks, from Bangalore as well. I think my husband has used it because I had kept a few incenses for the review, but I don't see them now. So I guess while I was away, my husband used it. So I just had this Mumbai one. I have the Bangalore one in the cone form, so that also we'll see today. I have the Bombay one in cone as well. We have this Oroshikha Nag Champa. And we have this Golok Nag Champa. So these are the incenses that we'll be doing today. I want to start with Satya Sai, so let's do that. All of you know that by now I think all of you are well versed with the the packaging of Satya Sai Baba. It's like this. It's all in blue, white and red. And in this Mumbai one, we have the address of Mumbai as well as Bangalore. The Bangalore one had only the address of the Bangalore one. That's there. And besides that, everything else, the packaging and everything is same. Even the Srinivas Sugandhale, which is in golden, which is written in golden here, if you can see that also was the same in both of these. And I had done the last the last Nag Champa incense that I did for the Mumbai one. I had done a comparison of both of those in terms of packaging, so you might want to check out that one. So inside what we have is a branded butter paper, incense in the branded butter paper, and it's a regular average sized incense. So let's check the incense. These are brown masala battis. If you can see that, there's a lot of masala on top here. And this is in yellow. The bamboo core is in yellow. It's sturdy and smooth. And that's the thing that we have. If you see that. This, like I told you, is sweetish, zarda types and resinous. So that's the fragrance that this has. That's what I can smell in the cold incense. Let's light up the incense now and check out the fragrance of the smoke, the fragrance that we actually get from the incense. So let's check out the actual fragrance that we get from the incense. So let's light up the incense now. So like in the cold incense, the fragrance is still sweet and resinous. That zarda thing has toned down a lot. It's very understated, but that thing is still there. So overall, the fragrance that we had in the cold incense is what we're getting from the smoke as well. It's just that the intensity of it has toned down quite a lot. And the one thing really good about these incenses, or they linger for a long time after the incense has it has been burnt through. So that is the one thing good about it. And so like the cold incense, suppose the cold incense is 100% of fragrance, the once you burn the smoke, the incense smoke is like the incense smoke is like say 20% of the fragrance. And once the incense has burned through, once it has gone, the fragrance that you get in the room is like 10% of the fragrance. So but that 10% of the fragrance lingers for quite some time. You can smell it in your bed, in your furnishings, in your curtains, and if you're very sensitive, you'll be probably smelling it in the doors as well. So that is the kind of lingering effect that this has. And so if you like that kind of fragrance which is like sweet, not very sweet, even the sweetness is understated, and resinous, the resinous aspect of the fragrance in the smoke is quite pronounced, and the zarda aspect also is quite toned down. So that's the kind of incense fragrance that we have in the Nag Champa incense sticks from Mumbai, the Satya Sai Baba Nag Champa incense from Mumbai. It's nice, and if you like that kind of fragrance which is like not very strong, medium intensity wise, and so if you like that, you like this. That is Satya Sai Baba Nag Champa incense from Mumbai. We have the Nag Champa incense cones also from Mumbai, but I'm sure the fragrance will be same, so let's not check this out. And the branding is as simple as the Nag Champa incense, the incense stick. It's the same in blue, white and red. But there's one major difference in the incense that we got from Bangalore and the one that we got from Mumbai. Well, actually, there are quite a few differences. So if you see the packaging of the Mumbai one is like that. You see the picture of the founder is there. And that logo, the vertical S and the compressed S is still there. You see that. The Bangalore one doesn't have that S logo, and it doesn't have the picture of the founder. If you see that, it's like that. And in the front, both of them have directions, but the one from Bangalore has that green earth logo as well. So if you see that, so that's how the top, that's how the top pack looks. This one is from Mumbai and this one is from Bangalore. This is from Mumbai and this is from Bangalore. See that? Then they have the barcode on one side. It says 12 dhoop cones with stand, made in India. And this is the Mumbai one and this is the Bangalore one. So if you can see that, that is the barcode and stuff. This is the directions side. The logos are, the Mumbai one has only 4 logos. The Bangalore one has quite a few logos. If you see that, it's very much like spot the difference. And then on the back side again we have, oh, if you see the logo is different, you know, the Mumbai one has a different logo and the Bangalore one has a different logo. And on the back side, just check out the logo, you see it's quite different. You see that. And the back side is plain for the Mumbai one, it's plain white in the Mumbai one, and the Bangalore one has the logo and the price and stuff. So it's like that. This is the Bangalore one, this is the Mumbai one. So that's how the overall pack for the Bangalore one is like. You know, it's like that. The Mumbai one is like that. The picture of the founder and the logo, and this is the barcode, directions, and the plain white back. That's there. So we just check the incense fragrance of the Mumbai one. So we'll not be doing this cone, we'll only be doing the you know, incense cone from Bangalore. So we'll check that out now. So the pack simply opens like that. It opens like that. Inside what we have is a branded pack. It's a branded plastic pouch, and the cone holder is like that. This is almost like you know, the dhoop stick holder. So we have the incense cone, which is like 3/4 the size of my little finger. It's brown, it's like that. Average sized incense. It's thin, it's not that thick incense. It's not thick like the Auroshikha, the Aurobindo Ashram ones. These are thin cones and brown in color. The fragrance is sweetish. Sweetish and floral. And that Zarda hint that was there in the Mumbai Nag Champa is not here. So now let's light up the incense and check out the fragrance of the smoke as such, the incense smoke. Let's see that. The fragrance is still sweet and floral, but this has a very typical smell of, it has the fragrance of brass utensils. Weird me. And there is a slight, there's a slight tinge of some kind of moisturizing cream that I've smelled sometimes. I really can't pinpoint which one, but that's the kind of fragrance that I get from here. So it's sweetish, floral, brass-like, and some kind of moisturizing cream-like. So that Zarda tone is not here. But the fragrance is quite mild. And if you like the sweet and floral fragrance, you'll like this. And this again is the kind of fragrance that is going to linger for quite some time. So if you like light fragrance which is mild, not very hard, not in your face, and the kind of mild fragrance which is going to linger around in your house, if you like that kind of fragrance, you'll like this. But the fragrance, you know, the one note which is missing here, which was there in the Mumbai one, was that Zarda kind of note that is missing here. This has more of a smooth moisturizing cream kind of fragrance. So I do feel a slight difference in the fragrance in both of these. So that is Satya Sai Baba Nag Champa incense from Bangalore. And I've shown you the packaging, the difference in the elements in the packaging. So you might want to check that, and you might want to get both, you know, one each pack, you know, one from each, and try for yourself and see which one you like more. But personally, I like the Mumbai one better than, as of now, I like the Mumbai one better than this one. That's my take on this. Now let's check out the Nag Champa from Oroshikha. So this is simple tiny ones, and it just says Nag Champa, burning time approximately 35 minutes for each, net weight 40 grams, and Oroshikha. These are a little grayish kind of incenses. These are tiny. I got these tiny ones, and as usual I got this from Shabda, from Aurobindo Ashram, here Sarvodaya Enclave, Delhi, South Delhi, and it has yellow bamboo core, and the incense is almost darkish grey. If you see, it's darkish grey kind of a thing. This has that nice Bengali sweetness to it. That resinous floral kind of fragrance, that sweet, that Bengali sweetness, that is what you get here. And let's light up the incense and check out the fragrance of it, the fragrance of the smoke of the incense. So let's light that up. I really like the Bengali sweetness of this fragrance, and it seems like it has that wooden smell to it as well, and that sweet floral smell is there. I do not get that zarda like or the resinous kind of fragrance that was there in the Satya Sai Nag Champa incenses. So this is that sweetish, floral, woody kind of fragrance. So that's the kind of fragrance that I can get from this incense. This is Oroshikha Nag Champa incense. If you like Bengali kind of sweetness in the incense, which is like very typical of the Aurobindo Ashram incenses and the Oroshikha incenses, then you would like this. The sweetness that was there in the Satya Sai Nag Champa was not the woody kind of fragrance sweetness, but this is that woody kind of sweetness. So it has a hint of wood to it, it has a hint of sweetness to it. The other ones had the, it was the Satya Sai Nag Champa from Mumbai was sweet and floral and zarda like. The one from Bangalore was sweet and floral and creamy, moisturizing cream kind, and it has that hint of brass utensil to it. So this one is floral, woody and sweet, and it is that typical Bengali sweetness. So if you like that kind of fragrance like I do, you would like this. And so that is Oroshikha Nag Champa incense. Now here comes my favorite and the best Nag Champa, that is as per me. So Golok Nag Champa. This is by far my favoriteest Nag Champa, and I did ask people from Cycle Brand if they have Nag Champa incense, and they said I think they have in the export, they have it in the export products, it's not in the domestic one. And Vidwatamji had also told me that they have the Nag Champa but only in the export product, they do not have it in the domestic market. And I've asked them to help me get that so I can review that here for you guys. And so for now we only had Satya Sai from Mumbai, Satya Sai Baba from Bangalore, Oroshikha Nag Champa and Golok Nag Champa. So we've done the other three and this is the last one. This again is an average size agarbatti with the bamboo core is yellow. It's like dirty yellow kind of thing, which is strong and sturdy. Average sized. This again is a brown incense, and the masala is there. A lot of masala is there in the packet, but not a lot of it is here, compared to the Mumbai one. I don't know if you can see the color for both is the same, but this one is from Mumbai and this one is from the Golok thing. If you can see, The Mumbai one has a lot of masala here, and the Golok one doesn't have a lot of masala on it. Though there is a lot of masala in the pack of it, but not on the incense as such. This is a very different kind of sweetness, and this has that resinous sweetness to it and a hint of floral. So that's what we can get from here, a hint of floral only. So now let's check out the fragrance of the smoke as such, and check out the, so let's see how it is. It has that nice resinous sweetness to it, and like I told you, that hint of floral is still there in the fragrance smoke as such. So if you like that kind of sweetness, that resinous sweetness which with a hint of floral to it, and this also is a mild fragrance. It's not very hard, it's not very strong, and it's not that in your face kind of fragrance. And so if you like that kind of sweetness, which is that resinous sweetness kind of fragrance, which is mild and not very hard, not very strong, then you would like this fragrance. Just check out the description box. I'll be giving the link of each of these incenses in the description box as well. And if you want to check out individual reviews of these incenses, I'll be providing those links also in the description box, and also in the cards somewhere. So just check those out as well. So Golok Nagchampa by far is my favorite. So this comes first for me. So that is Golok Nagchampa. Golok Nagchampa, that comes first for me. Then second, of course, is my sweet Bengali Oroshikha Nagchampa. And then I like the Mumbai one. I like the Mumbai one better. And of the Nagchampas, I like the Bangalore one the least. But that is just my opinion, and that's the kind of fragrance profile that you know, I like. That's the kind of fragrance profile that I feel most comfortable with, you know, in terms of burning an incense in the house, because the fragrance of all of these are the types that, you know, lingers in the house, and the siyas of all of these are quite good as well, and they spread to a large area. But all of these are mild fragrances, not very hard, not very strong, and these are all sweet. Some is sweet and resinous like this, some is sweet and woody like the Oroshikha one, and the others are sweet and floral. The florals are there in all of these, but the florals in the Mumbai one and the Bangalore one is quite pronounced. The floral in the Oroshikha and the Golok is quite understated. So that's the kind of fragrance we have. If you are somebody who likes the Nagchampa fragrance, I'd suggest you try all the 4 of these, and you know, I'll be giving the link of it in the description, so check that and buy those and try for yourself, because fragrance, like I've always said, that sense of smell is quite a subjective stuff. It's very personal, and it's because the sense of smell is such that every fragrance you know, evokes a memory in us. So every fragrance evokes a memory in us. So it could be different for you, like it's different for all of us. It'll be different for me. So the kind of fragrance favorites, you know, my fragrance favorites are the Bengali sweetness of Oroshikha incense. So I like the Aurobindo Ashram incenses and the Oroshikha ones. The Aurobindo Ashram incenses, however, are not, they are more the cottage industries ones which I reviewed for you, do not have that kind of sweetness which the Oroshikha one has. The Oroshikha, all of the Oroshikha incenses have that sweet, that Bengali sweetness to it, but the cottage industry ones do not have that. So they are more, they smell more natural, like, you know, like you're walking in a wood, you know, like you're walking past some like the smell of the chulha in Gaon, like this. So that is the kind of fragrance that most of Aurobindo Ashram incense cones have. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and I hope it was helpful for you. I hope it gives you some idea of how different each of these Nagchampas are, and I'll try looking up for more Nagchampas and more of sandalwood incenses. These two seem to be the most favorite of most people, and so that's the, I'll be trying to get more of those kind of incenses and review those here for you. And of course there will be other incenses as well. So that's all for today's episode. So the quiz for today is, which plant do we get opium from? Which plant do we get opium from? That's the quiz for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and learned something from it. If you think somebody else can learn something from it too and enjoy the episode, share it with them. If you want to check out the links of the incenses, please check out the description. Just let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And till we meet again next, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.